Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I feel like there's no such thing as cold and flu season anymore. My husband and I feel like we have to be on guard all year long.
So this Sambucol Black Elderberry Syrup is great to have on hand.
Unlike a lot of syrups that I've taken when I've been sick, this is one that I actually really look forward to taking. We really like the consistency and the taste of it. I think it has this really nice, slightly tart, not too sweet berry flavor. I love how it's something that I can take just for daily immune support. It's something that's so easy to incorporate into my routine. My husband and I were feeling really under the weather this past week. We felt like we were coming down with something, just achy, coughing, you know how it is.
So we both really upped our intake of this Sambucol.
And within just a few days, we noticed a drastic improvement in our symptoms.
I strongly feel that the Sambucol had something to do with that. We have really enjoyed the taste and the benefits of taking this Sambucol.
But that's just my point of view.